Good morning. Countdown to Ice Snowmageddon. Here's a little fatty. Here's another little fatty. Where's Sparkle Farts? Sparkle Farts, you're not supposed to be in that tree, man. Look what your Faja did. Where's your Faja? There he is, naughty ass goat. He's good looking though, old piss beard. So anyway, I think we're ready. Got my generators. Got one for the house, one for me. We got water solution in case the pipes freeze from the well. So we'll see. Catch you guys tomorrow. Everybody's gonna be showing snow pics. Woo! Yay.